Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for a DBA with LegalZoom, full guide step by step clearly. To start the registration process for a DBA with LegalZoom, visit the LegalZoom website. On the home page, locate the business section in the main menu. Click on DBA registration to access detailed information about registering a doing business's name. Review the provided information to understand the importance of a DBA. Click on the Get Started button to begin your application. You will be prompted to create an account or log in if you already have one. Fill out the requested details to set up your account. Once logged in, you will see a series of questions to gather your business information. Provide your business name, the DBA name you wish to register, and your location. Select the type of business entity that corresponds to your business. Indicate the county or state where you plan to operate your DBA. Review any legal requirements or restrictions related to DBA names in your area. After filling out the form, proceed to the payment section. Choose your preferred payment option and submit your payment details. Review your application to ensure all information is accurate. Submit your DBA registration application through LegalZoom. You will receive a confirmation email with details about your submission. Once approved, you will get another email with your official DBA documents. Keep your documents safe for future reference, as you may need them for banking or legal purposes. If you have any questions during the process, consider reaching out to LegalZoom's customer service for assistance. Follow these steps, and you'll be on your way to successfully registering your DBA with LegalZoom. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.